Do your smile lines look deeper when you laugh or talk? In today's routine, I will show you simple yet powerful massage techniques to soften laugh lines, lift your cheeks, and give your face a natural, youthful look. These moves target zygomatic muscles, buccinator, and the lines around the nose, boosting circulation and collagen. Let's start. Place your palms on the sides of your nose. Glide outward toward the ear. Keep pressure light to medium. This warms up the cheek muscles, improves blood flow, and prepares the tissue for deeper work. It also releases tension around the nose that makes the folds appear deeper. Form an O shape with your mouth to stretch the area. Then use gentle kneading motions along the sides of the nose to relax and release the muscle. Now we are working on the lateral nose muscles. When these muscles tighten and shorten, nasolabial folds appear deeper. Next is the brushing technique. Slowly brush along the entire length of the nasolabial folds. Next, place your fingers into the natural hollow beside the fold. Apply firm but comfortable pressure and gently stretch the muscle tissue in different directions to release tension. Now work at the base of the nostrils. Form a soft knuckle with your index fingers and sink into the natural groove beside the nose. Use slow kneading motions to loosen tight muscle fibers. Then gently stretch the tissue slightly outward. Repeat this sequence 3 times. Now gently glide the knuckles along the cheekbones, moving toward the ear. Keep the pressure comfortable and relaxed. Gliding along the cheekbone towards the ear help release tight facial fascia and improves lymphatic drainage, which reduces the appearance of nasolabial folds. Next, use both hands to lift the cheeks. Begin at the sides of the nose and glide outward towards the ear, maintaining gentle upward pressure to support the cheek tissue and smooth the nasolabial folds. To finish, place your palms beside the nose and sweep outward across the cheeks toward the ears. Use slow, light strokes to calm the tissue, encourage drainage, and set the lifted shape. Repeat this routine daily for the best results and feel the difference in your smile lines over time. That's it for my today's video. Thanks for watching.